Yep, man, just arrived here, Medellin, Colombia. Let's check out the hotel room. Looking quite stylish. It's my room. Got a shower there. Glass windows. Let's go and check out the balcony. See what out is saying. Got a dressing down there as well. Vibes out there. Balcony vibes.
Alright, boss. First empanada.
Checking out the little strip down here. This is Provenza. Everyone's probably dancing in the street, drinking, eating. It's a relaxed, nice vibe. Love it. I ain't got them moves though. There's a couple of the other clubs down here, Provenza. It's a bit more upmarket, should I say. Got the Medellin sign. Great for taking photos. Yeah, very bright. Colourful, the lights there. Good lighting to get your pictures taken. Yeah, so I'm hitting up the roof. Didn't get much footage yesterday because got in late. I was shattered. Gonna check out the hotel. This is the rooftop. Got their little weights there. Look at this. And then the views out there. Out here, Medellin, Colombia. But it's quite warm already, you know. Check out this water. Yeah, that water's warm as well. Yeah, so went to look for the gym.
Okay.
It's literally come out the hotel, turn right.
I have one already. I have one.
Donny's trying to sell me
Got that one.
football jersey tops. I had my Arsenal top on. I already got the Colombia shirt.
Trying to sell me stuff every minute. Go into this space. Gym inside there.
Quick look around. I'm gonna join up for a couple of days. Get a little workout going. Rooftop views. Currently at the gym. Just checking out the views. Look, there's my hotel down there. Is it in the daytime? Just looking for somewhere to go and get a little food after the gym session. People, just understand, man had to have a cold shower. There's something wrong with the hot water in the building. They're sorting out literally in the next half an hour, like they're shutting off all the water for the next half an hour to sort out. But I had a freezing cold shower, but I guess that's just the problem sometimes you got to deal with. We move.
So yeah, had a little cab journey across town. Cost me something like 2-3 quid, 25-minute journey. Making my way to the airport for a little helicopter ride. Caught some views in as well. So finally arrived at the airport. Had a plane coming in for a landing. Everyone getting their pictures, videos in. Perfect timing. Look at that backdrop. And yeah, the helicopter started to warm up. Getting ready for that flight. There's me walking over, obviously, and sitting up front. Met the captain today, put my life in his hands. He's just explaining what I'm on. So if you like the content you've just seen, like, share, and also don't forget to